Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer. Today I am in the brand new Frozen Suite here at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, and I'm going to give you the grand tour today. The Frozen Suite is on the Kingdom Club level, which is on the top floor of the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, and it starts at about $760 a night. Once you walk in here, there are two washrooms. The first one is near the entrance, and you'll see the fun wallpaper and the portrait on the wall there. And, of course, Olaf offering you a tissue. In the main living room, you'll find this bar that has an ice bucket and teacups, and, of course, bottles of water. And below, you'll find the bar that has pretty much everything you need. Here we have some tea and instant coffee with creamer. And there's also sugar and brown sugar as well. And coffee cups. And here you'll also find the safe and mini fridge to keep your drinks cold. In the corner, there is this little wooden cabin area. I love it. There's this Olaf cushion that you can take apart, and we also have Sven on the floor here. And we've got some cushions you can sit on. On the bookshelf, there are storybooks in multiple languages and also toys that you can play with. But do keep in mind that these items do cost. And here is the list in Hong Kong dollars. The Olaf cushion is about $130 US, and the bathrobes about $65. The entire corner is comfy, and I love the window to look outside at the quote-unquote snow. And also this awesome cuckoo clock. Across from the comfy corner is this space with a big screen TV, and of course the TV is playing Let It Go when you walk into the room. I know. But all is forgiven because this sleigh couch is the best part of the suite. How fantastic is that? I absolutely love this couch. And of course the artwork behind it is just as fantastic. If you don't want to be awesome, you can sit in this relaxing chair. Pull back the turquoise curtains and you'll have access to the balcony. Since you're on the top floor, you have an excellent view. From our room, we got to see the pool, which I highly recommend. And if the day is clear, you might be able to see the Hong Kong skyline. Couldn't see it this day just because it was a little bit humid. Okay, now for the bedroom. There are two double beds, and each bed has an Anna and Elsa plush on it, along with beautiful portraits above the beds. The chair beside the beds are an excellent spot to place the plush when it's time to sleep. If you look closely at the linens, there are snowflake patterns. Now that is some detail. Behind the double doors, you will find this large bathroom, and I absolutely love this. There's so much space. There's a jacuzzi bath. Yes, a jacuzzi. Perfect to relax in. And this wallpaper is spot on. Love that. You got this little area to get ready. And of course, every hotel room comes with an amenities kit, and this one you do get to keep. The one we got has Elsa on it. You'll also be able to use these robes that have the Frozen Suite logo on them. And remember, you can buy these if you like for about $65. Across from the jacuzzi is a walk-in shower, and also the second toilet is just beside it too. There's so much room in here. Of course, you have to have slippers, and there are Frozen-themed slippers. So we have Olaf here and Elsa. And we can't forget Anna. And there's also ones for kids too. And don't forget to take the Hong Kong Disneyland paper bag that you get to keep. Also included with your stay is the special Frozen afternoon tea set that you'll get in the Kingdom Club Lounge. For dessert, it includes Anna and Elsa cupcakes, along with a delicious Olaf lemon tart. Other delicacies include lobster and mushroom puff pastry, crab meat pastry, ham with fresh fig, heirloom tomato, jelly mozzarella cheese, and balsamic pearls, which was my absolute favorite. And there's also the smoked salmon mousse with radish tart. Also, you'll get this welcome plate that has macarons, and a mountain of white chocolate with colored sugar. Each of the macarons are different flavors as well. I enjoyed the lemon one quite a bit. When you're a guest on the Kingdom Club level, you'll get access to the lounge where there are snacks and drinks available all day. In the morning, there is a breakfast buffet, my favorite. And in the evening, there's also cocktail hour between 6 and 8. Of course, there's Mickey waffles for breakfast, sausages, hash browns, eggs, the whole works. Another perk of staying on the Kingdom Club level is you'll get a chance to meet Mickey, Minnie, or Donald in the evening as they come to wish you a good night in their PJs. And of course, you can take a picture. During our stay, we got to meet Mickey. I absolutely love that outfit. It is so cute. All right, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me today as I showed you around the new Frozen Suite here at the Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel. If you're planning a trip to Hong Kong Disneyland, make sure you check out our free travel guide at tdrexplorer.com. All right, explorers, I'm going to enjoy this sleigh couch because it slays.